In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to import contacts to Apollo.io, a powerful tool for improving your sales and marketing outreach. Whether you're new to Apollo or just need a quick refresher, stick around because I'm going to share some pro tips that will make your contact import process smoother and more effective. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get your contacts into Apollo.io without any hassle, saving you time and boosting your productivity. First off, let's dive into Apollo.io's importing process. When you're ready to import contacts, Apollo gives you a couple of different options. You can either upload a CSV file or use an integration, which is perfect if you're trying to import contacts from your CRM, email provider, or other third-party platforms. To get started, head over to the Contacts tab within the Apollo dashboard, and you'll find an Import button at the top right of the screen. Now, when you click the Import button, you'll have two primary choices. The first is the CSV upload option, where you simply drag and drop your contact list into Apollo.io. The software is pretty flexible with the types of data it can handle, so as long as your CSV is formatted correctly, you should be good to go. If you're importing a file for the first time, Apollo will automatically try to map the columns in your CSV to the correct fields in the platform, like name, email, phone number, and more. Don't worry if the automatic mapping isn't perfect. Apollo allows you to manually match any columns that might have been misinterpreted. This feature is key to making sure that your data doesn't get mixed up. Once everything is mapped, click the Start Import button and your contacts will start importing right away. You'll even see a progress bar so you know exactly when the import is complete. If you want to save even more time, Apollo.io also supports integrations with popular CRMs and email platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Gmail. With these integrations, you don't have to manually upload contacts at all. All you need to do is link your accounts and Apollo will sync your contacts directly from those platforms. This is a great option if you're working with large lists or need to keep everything in sync across multiple platforms. Once your contacts are imported, Apollo.io doesn't just stop there. It offers a wealth of tools to organize and leverage your contact data. You can segment your contacts into lists, add tags, or even trigger automated workflows to nurture those leads. With Apollo's filtering options, you can dive deeper into your contacts and easily sort them based on different parameters like industry, job title, or location. For anyone who's still wondering about how to get started with Apollo.io or wants to access these features at no cost, I've got great news. You can try the software for free through the first link in the description below and get access to some exclusive bonuses that will supercharge your sales efforts. Trust me, this is a great opportunity for anyone looking to make their contact management and outreach more efficient. Now, if you've been sticking around, I'll let you in on a little secret. By using the link below, you can access an extended free trial to Apollo.io. This is an incredible offer to try out all of Apollo's advanced features, like seamless contact imports, automated outreach campaigns, and so much more. To wrap up, importing contacts to Apollo.io is fast, flexible, and super efficient. Whether you're using a CSV file or a CRM integration, Apollo.io makes it easy to get your contacts in and get started right away. And don't forget, by using the link in the description, you'll get a special extended trial with exclusive bonuses.